Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 8 power minus 1 minus 8 power minus 1 by 3 plus 8 power 0 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 8 power negative 1, we can write it as 1 by 8. So it becomes 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 power 1 by 3 plus a power 0 is equals to 1. A can be any number. 1 power 0 is also 1. 2 power 0 is also 1. So 8 power 0 is also 1. So we can replace this with 1. So 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8, we can write it as 2 cube whole power 1 by 3 plus 1. So according to exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power n power n. So 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2 whole power 3 times 1 by 3 plus 1. So we can cancel out this. So what is left? 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So if I'll take LCM, so it is 8. 1 minus 4 plus 8. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 minus 4 by 8, that is 5 by 8. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.